Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make faded background in Canva. Once on Canva, from there you can select the element or design that you would like. So for example, let's say we were to select social media, and I'm just going to be selecting Instagram story. After doing that, once on the page, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you could tap on uploads, and from there you can upload the image that you would like to use as your background. So for example, I'm going to be selecting elements and I'm just going to be using a copyright free image. So let's say for example this image. I'll tap on the three dots on the page and I'm going to tap on set image as background. Now you can see the image right here. But let's say I would like to overlay an image on this, so I want to fade the background. You're going to select the page, then in the top navigation bar right here, you're going to see the option transparency. You're going to tap right there. Then from the slider, you're going to pull it to the left, and you can see that it is now faded, as you can see right there. So the further you pull it to the left is the more faded it will get. So for example, I can set it at, let's say, 45. Now after doing this, if it is a case that I wanted to add text, so for example, let's say I would like this to be a moving background and I also want to add text. I could select the page, tap on animate, then scroll down from the left hand menu option, and you can see the different animations right below photo movement. And I'm going to be selecting photo zoom, so I'll select that. Then you will simply select the page once more, tap on the three dots, and you're going to tap on lock background. Now you can add whatever you want over this background. So let's say I were to add text, I could tap on text right there, then tap on add a heading. After doing that, let's say I were to type out simple answers, and you can see it right there. After doing this, if I were to simply tap on play, you can see how it looks, and you can see the background is faded, so it is not dominant, as you can see right there. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful.